So a breve is just half and half in place of milk. So it can either be a mocha breve, which would be with chocolate, or it can be a breve latte. Today we're gonna do a mocha breve. So you don't need any foam. We're only gonna steam as much as we use. You can always add a flavor to it if you want. You need the chocolate, 2 shots, and then our half and half. There you go. That's the mocha breve. Watch our next segment and I'll show you how to make another drink.